This is a creepypasta about Demon. So he may look like a normal creepy pasta thing. I mean, every user did something. I'm pretty sure everyone did this. Creepy images. Yeah, you kind of look. Trying to find one. So let me go to images and see if I can find one that he kind of had. Okay. She was running. Okay, but ugh. Okay, look, it was kind of like this, but he actually hacked them. Like this. Oh no! I accidentally put something. So, he's actually named Demon. That's Molly, my BFF. Okay, anyways, yeah, he actually probably is in hello. Anyways, he is, very creepy. I mean, everyone looks like this. Let me think. Ugh. Okay, let me see this person. Nope. I don't know who else would have looked like that, but, yeah. Go subscribe to her channel. It is, Gray Spirit 9 or Gray. I don't know. But I'm gonna listen to ODD because you can't hear it. Anyways, Demon, I don't know how you would have gotten that user name in it, but, see, this is him. I don't understand him. I know probably a lot of people don't understand him, but it's like, dude, you need to calm down. Like, oh my god, what is happening to that mouse? Okay, so I'm gonna look for another. Get the holy water, Linda. Get the holy water, Linda. Because, I don't know what else. What other creepy? Ooh, I think, this person isn't. I don't know what I was doing. I legit was just gonna say this person was creepy. He is very creepy. Do not buddy him like I did. I'm stupid. Do not buddy him. Don't buddy Maxi 79. I never had holy water. Also, Maxi 79 likes everyone. Okay, so anyways, back to this. Anyways, wonder what animals he has. Ooh, okay. Sneaky scary. Let's see if I can find a spooky, scary skeleton. I'm a little ODD. Oh God! See, no. I'm a little ODD. She won't let me move the grass. Nothing you're gonna crack. Da 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 da. Little old Dee Dee. Up that dress, and my sheet got crack. Oh my God, where you go? Yes, Maxi79 is the devil. I have a bag on my hands. Ew. Furry Wolf 76. Furry Wolf 76. Can't say. Oh my God, I hate you, AJ Chat. That's why I block it. Ooh, who's this thing go to? Oh. Wolf 70. Furry Wolf 76 is my ex-best friend. My little old Dee Dee. You don't know me. I don't know how to do. I like how I scream things. So it's hot. No, why'd you leave me? I'm sorry about the background, guys. But anyways, bye. That's it for the creepypasta thing.